Hi, Dyslexic Genius here. I'm back on the Victor M 1901 model, and we're going to take the governor apart, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But there are a few things. This end bearing is a bronze bearing, and it fits in here. Both bearings have a 60-degree point, like the bottom of the spindle shaft, like this. There's no pin going into it.
Where are the bearings?
You have a bronze bearing here, and then this end bearing goes into the casting.
All right.
So it's preset. So how do we get this apart? We have the speed control goes around or on the outside of the main governor, and we have this screw. What we're going to do first is we're going to take all the springs off, this and this. So we just it pulls out. This is much easier to do if you go by and loosen all the screws first. Then you can take them all the way out instead of fighting everything. That's what I did before off camera. Took all those, loosened all the screws. Makes it a lot easier to disassemble one of these.
Is that a magnetized screwdriver?
Yep. You bought it for me, my sweets. And it comes out. Now we have those there. Now what arises is the bearing, take this screw out that holds the bearing. I've loosened that. And now this all should just, doesn't want to push out. Okay, so what do we have to do? So we're going to come in with a small punch. Okay.
How long ago did I buy it?
Oh, this one?
Probably 50 years ago.
Probably 50 years ago. So,
okay, so if I hold this.
So what we're going to do is, try if I can hold that.
Aha, moved.
Good. There we go. Now, that's come off. Man, that's tight. They wanted that one on there. Interesting that Victor nickel plated that screw. Now we will just pull this. We gotta go a pinch farther on that. See if I can hold just a minute. Let go, please. Get out the old punch block. my angel's gonna reach in and hold right there. Push down right here, right here. There we go. Thank you, sweets. Whoopsie. There we go. There we go, came out. Now what we'll do later is we'll punch it, this bearing the other way and get it out. As you can see on the governor, we have this 60-degree point like that. And we have this insert here. And on the casting, we have it coming up like this. We have to clean all this out. And then you will clean everything with lacquer thinner, get everything done. Check these springs because these springs are notoriously weak. And I've already ordered new ones from the phonographshop.com. And we'll get this assembled. But these are interesting governors. You look at the flywheel part, you see how this all just tapers down beautifully in their machine work. They also had lines machined into here to hold the oil for the felts to run on, for the leathers to run on. Pretty impressive. Sorry about the trash man, and that's my tip for the day.